conversation on Instagram and have something like this. And it costs a fortune. But man, if you want to train like I do, you have to look hard. You have to look hard.
What is going on here?
Why will you do that? Can't you see I was on live? Why will you like embarrass me like this?
I don't mean to embarrass you, but take a look around. The house is untidy. I mean, why do you feel comfortable staying in dirt?
Don't tell me that. You don't need to lecture me about how to keep the house clean. Because this is my workplace, not as if I'll come to your office and tell you how you litter your files everywhere. So don't do that.
That's my office, like you said.
And this is my workplace.
This is where we live in. It should be tidy. I mean, instead of arguing, why don't you just arrange the house? But since you don't want to do it, I'll do it myself. Good evening. Where do I start from?
Calm down. Just calm. Very soon, I'll put her in her place.
Babe? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you sure? If you're fine, why is there no food in the kitchen? I mean, I'm not hungry, but my sisters are complaining that they've not eaten all day. Why?
Wait, Rex. For all I can remember, I'm still your wife, right? I am your wife. I am not your sister's slave. If they're so hungry, why don't they walk into the kitchen and make food for themselves? They are 3 grown women. For crying out loud, I am done with all this nonsense. So many women out there will not tolerate this. But I come back from work tired, I cook for them because I love you. But I am tired, I am done. I am done.
So you're saying that my sisters should starve?
No, what I want to ask you is there more to just them being your sisters or something? Because I don't get it. I don't understand. As for me cooking for them, I will not.
Darling, you're making this look like a big deal. It's just a mere meal. It's food. It's not a big deal.
It's meal. It's meal. Why don't you go do the meal inside the kitchen? Why can't you use your own hands? 2 hands and cook. You are hungry.
It's okay. You're not going to do it. It's fine. Just do as you please, okay? Chloe? I want
Nonsense.
you to go upstairs. Get my car keys. Call your sisters and let's go out and get something to eat. Okay?
Okay.
Honey, I can't believe that you actually want my sisters to starve. That is not nice.
And I cannot believe you will tell your wife to cook for your sisters. I cannot believe that you have insulted me so much in this house.
You said you love me.
Yes, I love you and I can't take it anymore.
So you should love me with anything that comes with me.
I will not take bullshit anymore.
You're hungry, right?
Very, very.
5-star?
Woo!
Will you marry me?
Yes. Listen.
Yes.
Yes. Ah! Yes.
I'll put it a ring, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, there you Oh my God.
When did you get here?
Well, you were so engrossed in your dancing, you didn't even notice I came in here.
Why didn't you say anything?
I didn't know you could dance like that. I just had to, stand and watch the whole show.
So how was your day? Welcome.
My day was fantastic. And guess what?
What?
I am the happiest man on earth right now.
Tell me about it.
So, I proposed to my beautiful Rose and she said yes.
Are you serious?
So finally, I am going to be married.
Oh my God!
Yes.
But I'm so happy for you.
Hey, let me tell them the news.
Oh, please!
Hey, Chloe!
I'm so happy for you! Oh my God! Kim! Stacy!
She couldn't wait. Typical of Chloe.
Come in. Hey, ladies! Oh, my days! Okay. Ladies, what do I owe this pleasant visit? Am I safe?
You are.
So, what do I offer you girls?
We're good.
Oh, okay. So, what's going on?
My darling, we thought it's very nice for us to come and see you now that you are engaged to our sweet brother.
Oh. Okay, I think I need to sit down and hear this all.
So
I'm all ears.
we want you to know some things about us.
Yes.
Okay. First of all, the most important, you must be a good cook. Not just a cook, a great chef. Wow. You know, you have been dating our brother for a while now. All you do is take him out, buy him food outside. My darling, So now that you're about to become Mrs., we don't want that anymore.
Yes, and secondly, the house needs to be very clean at all times. You know, the house is like our studio for our social media, shenanigans and all of that. So you have to keep the house as clean as possible. Sparkling clean.
Oh, sparkling clean.
Yes.
And hardly, we do not appreciate visitors in the house. I mean, we might be doing our live videos and we don't want someone bumping into us. So, should in case you want to have someone over at the house, you have to, tell us so that we can put ourselves together.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Interesting. Is there more or that's
No,
all?
no, for now, those are the most important ones. If anything comes up, we will let you know. All right, girls?
Obviously.
Obviously. The thing is, I really do appreciate you all, you three musketeers, taking out time from your tight and busy schedule to come tell me your rules and regulations. That is really nice. I like that. But the thing now is that I need to go back to business, okay?
You don't need to say that, baby girl. We also need to get back to work. Just keep in mind everything we've told you. There won't be any problem. Right, girls? No,
Hey, wonder shall never end. Are you serious? So they actually came to warn you. When I saw them, I thought they came to apply for the vacant position of the receptionist.
That is what I saw. That is what I saw and I heard from them.
Oh wait though, are they the ones marrying you? Or are they going to stay with you with your husband forever?
Don't get me wrong. I don't have a problem with them staying with their brother. My problem is I don't want to have issues with Rex. Because since I started dating Rex, those sisters of his, all they do in the house is create content, disturb the whole place. I don't just understand them.
Yeah, my dear, you have work. Oh. If I were in your shoe, I would put them in their place.
Amaka, there's some things better left unsaid. I don't want to have problems with Rex. I love him so much. So if it will take me to manage his sisters that way, I'll do it. I will do it. That's what love makes you do. You know, so babe, I beg, leave it. I will.
Madam Manager, be managing them now. What do I know about love? Hey, you do your thing now. I don't have much to say. Please drop me by the market. Let me get some vegetables.
What about the samples?
Hey, by the way, what are we going to wear?
Don't worry.
Because this wedding is gonna be gang wedding.
Don't worry. You too like Amebona. Your problem with that. Don't worry. I will give it to you.
Girl, oh my god, I can see new live viewers. Oh my god, you can say that again. I'm so sorry guys, I've been off live because my brother just got married. Tessie has to be there because everything has to be around glam. If I'm not there, the wedding's not gonna be that glam. You know what I mean? Oh my god, no! I am back. I am back to pick up from where we stopped. I am back to continue from where we stopped. Yeah, the last time we talked about how to pick a right dinner wear. Someone cannot just invite you for a dinner and you go and pick a jean with a crop top. Hell no, it cannot work. You need to look sexy. You need to look glamorous. You need to look like, you need to dream. When the guy sees you, we're like, oh my god. Yes, and we also talk about to know the right hair than the fake one. Like what I'm carrying, If is expensive. It costs a fortune, but you need to look glam. You need to look sexy. So if you want to pick up this sexy, go to Sonia Hair Extension on Instagram and have something like this. And it costs a fortune. But man, if you want to train like I do, you have to look hard. You have to look hard.
What is going on here?
Why will you do that? Can't you see I was on live? Why will you like embarrass me like this?
I don't mean to embarrass you, but take a look around. The house is untidy. I mean, why do you feel comfortable staying in dirt?
Don't tell me that. You don't need to lecture me about how to keep the house clean. Because this is my workplace, not as if I will come to your office and tell you how you litter your files everywhere. So don't do that.
That's my office, like you said.
And this is my workplace.
This is where we live in. It should be tidy. I mean, instead of arguing, why don't you just arrange the house? But since you don't want to do it, I'll do it myself. Good evening. Where do I start from?
Calm down. Just calm. Very soon, I'll put her in her place. Okay guys, I'm so sorry for that little interruption, you know. Have some few things to attend to. So where do we start? This is my sister-in-law, yeah. Say hello to my fans, come on. Yeah, so I'm so sorry for that interruption. So I needed to attend to my sister-in-law. She's still pretty. So guys, you know, what topic do you want us to talk about? You want us to talk about money, how to slay, how to look sexy for your man? My darling, if you want to go and see your man,
cooking till now. How many hours will it take to cook just food now? You are hungry, you are hungry. If you had lent a helping hand, this food would have been ready. But no! But you waited for me to come back from work and then I'll cook for you people. As your servant. Yes, ma. You will stay hungry. If you are so hungry, Charlotte, hold on. Take now. Take this cup. Go and take out the hot water and drink it. What's the meaning of all this now? Eh? Is this not your husband's house? Are you not meant to be cooking? Oh, it's good. It's my husband's house. Of course, it's my right. Yes, I'm married, but you are not married. How can I be cooking for 3 grown adults? 3 women. Eh, you have your husband's house. Then someone will treat you like this. You have to wait for me to come back from work and then you wait for me to cook for you as the madam of the house, slay queen. You will wait. You see, don't worry. Don't cook this food fast. You see. Did you finish that your video yesterday?
And why are your faces looking so heavy like it's about to rain? What is it? Last night, I did not see you girls at dinner, and now your faces are like this. Come on. You know you can tell me anything. What is the problem?
Brother, is it not that that woman you call your wife, she refused giving us food last night?
Why is that?
Simply because I didn't come to help her out in the kitchen. But I needed to see how this lady rained insults on me. She even called us lazy adults. That she can only cook for her husband and not us.
But you know she's right. Why did you not lend a helping hand in the kitchen?
Brother, don't tell me you're supporting her. Don't tell me you're supporting her. We are not lazy. We are social media influencers. And you know we need to keep up with the act. Else we'll lose our followers.
I don't think she excluded you from the meal last night. But don't worry. I'll talk to her when she gets back from work. Okay?
Better do. Because she's your wife. She has her responsibilities to fulfill as your wife. Same way we do.
It's okay. And you? What is bothering you?
But my data has finished. I want to go live.
Your data is finished. And that is why your face is like that. Okay. I'll transfer money to you when I get to the office.
Really?
Can I get a hug now?
Brother, you transfer for me too. I want to go live.
Okay, I will.
Thank you. Thank you.
Are you okay now?
Sure.
Can I go to work? Okay.
Bye. See you later.
All right, be good.
Okay, my dear. Once you're done with your exams, you can come to the house and spend your long holiday, okay? Okay. Don't worry, I'll call you tomorrow and speak to your mom as well. So I can let her know the update. Alright, I love you too. Bye. Babe, what's up though? My niece, she actually wants to come to the house to spend her long holiday.
Oh, okay. That's nice. When is she coming?
They'll probably let us know, but honestly, I'm worried.
Worried about what?
My husband's sisters, they don't want to lift a hand to help me do anything. I doubt if they'll be able to take care of her.
If that's the case, why don't you employ a house help? I mean, you can afford it.
You said what?
A house help?
Ah, beg, not go there. House what? Don't you watch videos? These girls, when they come to your house, they will just take over your husband. Are we even talking about that? They will come to your house and finish everything in your house, destroy everything, and then maltreat your children. Please, I don't want anyone to maltreat my niece. Biko, I don't even want any house help. Don't even talk about it. Don't even bring it up.
Baby girl, not all house helps are bad. You can actually get an honest and hardworking house help.
Thank you. I do not need a house help. Okay?
Okay, well, what do I know?
You don't know anything. I don't need a house help. What's going on?
Everything is fine. How is work?
Work is fine. I'm trying to round up with the reports I had.
Babe,
Yes, love.
did you by any chance forget to cook enough food for my sisters?
I don't understand.
They complained to me that you said you can't cook for them.
Yes, I said that. Because all they do is lazy about. I go to work, I come back, I cook, I clean. They will scatter the whole place. I will arrange it. Babe, come on. They don't help me with anything. I suffer day in, day out. I leave this house 7 a.m. I come back 5 p.m. and nobody helps me in this house. None of your sisters. But let me shock you. I made food for them and I kept it in the microwave. If they had checked, they'd have seen the food in the microwave. They would have seen the food in the microwave.
Okay, I understand the point you're trying to make, but honey, I keep telling you to, sometimes overlook their behavior. Okay? Please.
Baby. My love. Listen, your sisters are grown. Don't you think, they should fend for themselves? They should go and stay together. We should look for an accommodation for them.
You know, so that they can face their lives. And we face our own lives.
What is that supposed to mean?
What I'm trying to say is, they're your sisters. I understand you love them so much. Hold on, let me just make my point. You love them so much, okay? But, I mean, it's high time. It's high time they left. Listen, even Chloe, the last one, she's old enough to take care of herself. These girls they will get married soon. They're no longer young. They're no longer babies.
Rose, is this thing that you're saying, is it coming from your mouth?
What I'm saying is that they can work, you know, and help you and help themselves. That's what I'm saying.
You're still talking. You're looking at me to tell me this thing after I've told you the story behind my sisters and I.
You've told me so many times.
How we lost our parents and have been their mother and father at the same time. Not having relatives in the village or in the city for them to go and stay with. And you sit down here to tell me what you're telling me. Are you serious? Now you listen to me. My sisters are not going anywhere. My house is their house. You have to find a way to cope with them. Don't sit there and tell me what you're telling me. What is wrong with you? Are you serious?
So you're shouting at me?
Why would I shout? Huh? Why would I not shout? Can you imagine? Excuse me.
Shouting at me because of your sisters.
Please.
So I have to be their slave, right? You're now shouting at me for saying the truth.
See how you've even...
I only said what was the truth.
Listen.
Do you think I don't try? I've tried everything.
I know, you're trying. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for shouting. I'm sorry for yelling. I'm sorry for screaming, okay? But I keep telling you time and again that give these girls some time, okay? They will change. They will change for good, okay?
Babe, listen.
Hi guys, welcome to my life. Who is this? Daddy French. Oh, hi Daddy French. Queen Steph said you look beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you. Like, imagine the length of those braids, guys. Like, oh my God, I had to literally stay in the salon for hours. Okay, who is this? Sunny Davy. Hi Sunny. Hi Gani. So, yeah. Okay, who is this? Hello, old school papa. Hey, old school. Hi. Gift EE. Oh, hi, Gift. So, look at. You see this? Long, right?
I understand, but if they were helping me, it would have been a different thing. I don't have a problem with them staying here, but they don't help me with anything. I work every day. I come back, I clean, I cook, I do everything. They don't help me.
Giddy Angel, hello. Hi. Are you mad? What is it? What's your problem? Hey, come back here. What's wrong with you? What's that? Drop this thing. You say I'm on live.
Chloe, listen. I don't have time to stand here and argue with you. I need this ring light now because I want to go live. And I'm almost running late.
Are you blind? Kim, are you blind?
Will you let go of it?
Can't you see that I'm using it? Are you blind?
And who are you to tell me if I should use the ring light or not? Is this yours?
Is it your own? Kim, is it your own? It's not yours. Please, let me go. Will you leave my way? Let me go. I'm not going to allow you to go with it. Can't you hear me?
Okay.
I don't want to push you.
They don't.
Are you hearing that sound? Is that sound from this house?
Don't touch me.
They're probably on their live, talking to their fans, creating content. That's all they do.
By this time. Creating content by this time.
That's all they do.
Don't touch me. This is not your
Content.
own. It's not your own.
Don't worry.
You don't even know this is your sister.
We'll create that content today.
Don't go and create content with them. Go and create content with them. God, what have I gotten myself into? What have I gotten myself into?
Try. Will you leave my way? Don't touch me. This is not your own. It's not your own.
Get me to bring light. Bring light.
Hey! What's going on here? Hey! Stop it! What's wrong with you? Stop it! Hey!
Brother, allow me!
Stop it! Stop!
Allow me!
Hey!
Let me deal with this little black man!
Shut up! What's wrong with the two of you? Huh?
Let me deal with this!
Shut up! Do you want to wake everybody up in this neighborhood? What is going on here?
Let me deal with this little brat! You are mad! Can you...
What the...
Can
Shut
you
up!
imagine that because of this ring light? But this guy's disrespecting me! Can you imagine?
Chloe, what happened?
Brother, I was on my own before this girl King came to disturb me. I was here doing Instagram. I was on live and she came to collect ring light that is not her own.
Did you hear her? Did you hear her? Can you imagine she's even calling me by my name, Kim? So you're calling me by my name, Kim?
Is your name not Kim? Is Kim not the name that your mother gave you?
Both of you stop this! Kim, I am highly disappointed in you.
Tell her.
Shut up. This is your younger sister. Huh? Must you engage yourself in a fist fight with your younger sister? What is wrong with you? It doesn't make sense now.
Tell her.
Shut up. Shut up your mouth.
Brother, just let me...
Shut up. Let me talk. What is wrong with you? Do you know she's your elder sister? Even if she has wronged you, is fighting the way to solve the problem? Huh? Now let me tell both of you. This should be the last time I am going to separate you two like this. Have I made myself clear? Have I made myself clear?
Yes, brother.
And clean this mess up.
Kim, she be in front and listen. Don't worry.
Hey, one more word from the both of you and I will deal with you.
She be sister will come back. Sister will
Did I touch
you?
you?
She
Did I
be
touch
broken
you?
the ring
Kim,
light.
did I touch
you? see
you?
your little
Did
mouth?
I
I will
touch you?
break your mouth.
Try it.
You're disrespecting me.
Touch me now out there, brother. Touch me.
We will see.
Touch me.
She be you spoiled it. You spoiled the ring light.
Wait, let's come back.
Brat. I don't blame you.
Listen who is talking.
I don't blame
Who is
you.
talking?
You've grown
Who is
things,
talking?
You've grown big
Waka. Waka.
You.
You're busy disturbing my life. Hey, Kim. You're trying me. You are trying me. Kim, you have Kim, I'm not done. You have spoiled the ring. Kim.
It seems you didn't sleep at home. What?
Why did you bring my ring light here and why did you do this to my ring light?
Me? I just came back. I saw it and I picked it up. Okay, I wasn't the one that did anything to it. Off the tripod.
Why are you lying? I saw you with it. Then you didn't do it. Who did this to my baby? Who did this to my ring light?
I don't know. I said I saw it on the floor and I picked it up and I tried to put them together.
You know how much this thing cost? I wasn't the
She is not the one who did it. It was Kim and Chloe. They were both fighting over the ring light and I think that's how it got damaged. Baby, I'm so sorry about that, okay? Wait, baby. Babe.
Who did this? Answer me, who did this?
She spoiled it. She's the one. You are mad. You are raving mad. Sister, if you are looking for who spoiled this, you have to ask her. Ask
ask this idiot right now.
Will you shut your mouth up? Shut your mouth! Look at this moral thing.
I don't want to hear all this nonsense. I don't want to know who did it. I'm giving you 2 hours because I have a content to create on my Instagram. I don't care.
Are you hearing her?
Hey, shut up. But I need my ring light in the next 2 hours. I better make myself clear.
You are mad.
Are you
Out! Out! Out!
Better than fix it though. I don't have anything to do with this thing. Better than fix it. It's the sister you
Take it out.
Your sister get out. Get out. You are. Don't compose me.
I'm still wanting to do something about.
Come in. Hey, what's up?
Your countenance since morning has been worrisome. What's wrong?
Babe, I'm tired. My sisters-in-law, they are making the house unbearable for me. I'm tired. I don't tire.
Up till now. Well, why don't you ask your husband to get them a job or something? Or get them a place somewhere they can stay so you have peace.
That one that doesn't want to hear anything that concerns his sisters. Doesn't want to hear any topic that concerns his sisters.
This is serious. It's not helping matters at all.
You know, I'm beginning to agree to the idea of a house help. Because babe, I need help. I'm the only one cooking, washing, cleaning. As I don't finish from work here, I'll now go home and do all these things. But my problem now is, how do we get a reliable and trustworthy person?
Don't worry. Leave that to me. I'll bring one over the weekend to your place. You can as well interview her.
Are you sure? Then I have to speak with my husband about it.
Yeah. Must you do that? What if he says no?
Yes, I have to. I'm under a man. If he says no, then I have to just kill the idea.
Let me know when you are ready. I'll make the arrangement with the girl.
Thank you so much.
HR asked me to give you this file. These are the applications and informations relating to the vacant position of the receptionist.
I beg. Let this HR rest in Jesus' name. I beg, give me. I'll attend to it tomorrow. I beg. Babe, right now, I just want to rest.
Really?
Yes, I just want to rest. I don't tire.
Yeah. Are you sure the laziness of your husband's sisters hasn't started rubbing off for you?
God forbid.
Because I don't get.
God forbid. Laziness of who?
Because I don't understand.
Lazy. Those ones, you can't call them lazy. They don't sabi do anything. Nothing. I beg. Don't worry, I'll attend to it. Don't worry. Let me just rest a little bit. All right, later now. Right. Okay, I'll come to your office and meet you later.
Sure.
What are we having for lunch?
I don't know, anything you want.
Okay, thank you. Good.
Stacy, can you take it easy with the food?
Big Bros, you will not understand. I've been so busy on my Instagram. Since morning, I have not done anything. I've not eaten. So, right now, I am famished. Let me eat, please.
Don't forget to appreciate my darling wife here for making this delicious delicacy.
The food is not so bad, but at least you should have done better. The pepper, the salt. I'm just saying, Sha.
Hey!
Maybe next time you will give me some tutorials on how to prepare the food without too much salt and pepper.
Babe, just ignore whatever she said, okay? I'm sure she didn't mean it.
Of course, you're going to support her. As always, you're going to support your sister.
How am I supporting her? I just said ignore what she said.
I don't get it. You know, at this point, I think I need a house help.
A house help?
Yes.
Why? What for?
What do you mean, what for? What do you mean by that? I do practically everything in this house. I come back from work, I wash, I clean, I cook, I do everything. Even if the house help doesn't have to cook, at least let them help me out with the chores, other chores. I am tired. Your sisters are not doing anything in this house. All they do is eat. I'm done.
Babe.
Please.
She has lost appetite.
Hey.
I thought you said this food is not sweet and it's too salty.
Are you? Really?
You said the food is salty, but now you're dragging the food with me.
Okay. Take the table. I'm out of here.
I'll record you and post it so your fans will see how you don't
even try that nonsense.
Self-respect. Even you.
Baby. Are you okay? Babe, can you stop? Stop.
How can I be okay? No, tell me, how can I be okay? Everything I do is being belittled by your sisters. And you side them. That's the worst of it all. You side them.
Baby, I am so sorry. Look, I understand how you feel, okay? But put yourself in my shoes. Are you going to cast out your siblings just like that? Baby, look. They will learn, okay? Just give them time. All right? Okay. If it'll make you feel better, should I get him housemaid? Really? You're not gonna say anything? If you don't say something, I will tickle you. Huh?
Please.
Yes.
Please, I'm not in the mood for this.
You're not in the mood for what?
I'm not.
You should be in the mood, honey. We're going to that shower together, and then we're gonna get jiggy with it. Chocolate drop says so. You know what time it is, but you're not in the mood? Huh?
I'm not in the mood.
You know you're in the mood. Come here. You know you're in the mood. I got you. Yes. We're going to start together. Chooks, I don't know how to manage it. I am in a fix and I don't know how to get out of it. I mean, these are my sisters and I need to look out for their interest. But I love my wife and I need to look out for her interest too. I don't know, I mean, I just don't know.
Guy, if I've been honest with you, your wife is right. Yeah. I mean, you've spoiled your sisters so much that they feel entitled. Your wife has every right to complain. You remember the last time when I visited you? Your sister told me to exit the room because she was on Facebook. I mean, those girls are not growing younger. If they don't learn how to cook or take care of the house while they are single, I'm afraid they won't be able to manage their marriage. Sorry to say that.
But what do I do? It's not like they are babies that I can just pick them up and take them to school or drop them.
That's the same. I don't even know what kind of advice I should give. But if your wife is asking for a house help, my guy, let her get one. Because she needs someone to help her in managing the affair of the house. Yeah. Waitress! Waitress! I mean, come with the bill.
Okay, the bill.
Yeah.
You're gonna pay for it?
What are friends for?
Okay.
hear the door? Eh? Did you hear the door?
What's my business? I'm not expecting any visitor.
Amaka. Ami, how are you? Oh, you're welcome. Please come. Yes, good evening. Lock the door behind you. So sorry. I was upstairs. I mean, no, I was ironing. Please sit down. I was ironing my shirt and I didn't hear the knock on time. Okay?
So you mean you are here and I was knocking and you couldn't open the door? Is something wrong with you?
Amaka, calm down now.
Can you imagine? What sort of nonsense?
Calm down now.
So I'm talking and you're making a video. Is there something wrong with you?
Come, give me my phone. See, let this be the first and last time you will come to my own brother's house to intimidate me. Don't try it again. Warn your friend, oh.
See. I'm not as gentle as your brother's wife. If you disrespect me, I will cut off your legs.
Amaka, what is this now? What is this? I sent you a message.
Really?
What is really?
Can you imagine? What sort of nonsense? What's wrong with her?
Calm down. You are too hot. Eh? Every time your body they do.
You're causing this. You're the cause of this problem.
I'm the cause. Oh yeah, beat me now. Beat me now. Somebody, you brought visitor here and you're shouting. Look at how you're disgracing me now. What's this now? Please sit down. You're welcome. See, please come and sit down. I'm coming. Let me attend to what I'm doing. I'm coming, eh?
Okay, fine.
Just hold on. I'm coming. Your name is Samantha, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have an experience as a house help?
Ma, I believe the general duty of a house help is the normal job we do at home.
So what are those duties?
Cleaning, washing, cooking, running errands.
You speak English very well. Why did you opt for the job of a house help?
Actually, after my SSCE, there was no fund for me to further. And I can't be able to work with my SSCE and get a good job. So I decided to do a house help job.
I like you already. That's very noble. I do not condone laziness because I'm not a lazy person. I only need a helping hand, so to speak, because I do almost all the chores myself in this house. I work every day, and then anytime I come back from work, I'm usually tired. So that is the reason I employed you.
I promise you, ma, I'm not lazy.
We'll see about that. Go to the kitchen and chop the vegetables. I'll join you very soon, okay?
Thank you, ma.
All right.
Hey.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. And who are you?
My name is Samantha. I'm the new house help.
I can see. So what are you doing? Cleaning? Did you just call this cleaning? Really? Is this what you call I'm cleaning? Listen to me. Go upstairs. First room by your right, my room. Clean everywhere. Clean the toilet. Change my beddings. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it now.
Hurry up.
Samantha,
Ma?
where are you going?
Auntie asked me to tidy her room.
Are you done with the furniture?
No, ma'am.
Continue what you were doing.
I don't get it. What's the meaning of all this? Are you trying to tell me I can ask her to go clean my room?
Of course you can.
Then why are you stopping her?
As you can see, she's still on her present job. When she's done, she will attend to yours. Samantha,
Ma?
when you are done, you can go clean up her room, okay?
Yes.
All right. So simple.
You know what? Never mind. Excuse me.
Samantha, when you are done, you can go attend to her, okay? Take your time.
Okay, guys, it's your girl, Tessie. So I can remember that we talked about something yesterday and how to attract endorsement as an influencer, right? Yes. So I'm going to be telling you guys how to do that. But just in a few minutes, keep sharing. Invite your friends to follow my Instagram page, Train with Tessie. You know, this page has everything you want. We are going to teach you how to dress well, how to attract those endorsements that will pay you good money. Do you understand? How to make it in life, how to be popular. Starlight. Okay, guys. We'll talk later. Who is that will not allow me to have peace in this house? Who?
Auntie Nami. Samantha.
Come in. What?
Sorry, I won't clean your room.
Can't you just allow me to do what I was doing in peace? You know I was doing something very important.
I'm sorry, ma.
You want to clean my room? You can do it, but I don't want to hear any sound, not even a pin. Like, do I make myself clear?
Yes, ma.
No sound. So, guys, your queen is back. Okay. Oh my God. Ah! What is wrong with you? Did he send you? No sound for the last time. No sound. Not even a pin. My beautiful people. Oh my God, see comments. Yes, darling. So, guys, come on, talk to me. What do you want to? Oh my God, you love this.
Amaka baby. I must say a big thank you. Thank you for bringing such a hard-working lady to me. Wow. Samantha is amazing. I do not regret employing her. Do you know I don't even have to talk too much. Samantha knows the exact thing to do. With just one eye, she'd already do it ASAP. As in, she's so hardworking and coordinated.
But I told you. See, when I was telling you to employ a maid, you were like giving me all sorts of excuses.
Babe, don't blame me. With all these things happening in recent times, I see videos, I'm scared.
I get
you know, I love my husband very, I have to cage her very well. My sister.
Yeah, I get to.
But honestly, on a serious note, I'm thinking of Samantha learning handwork.
Wow.
Yeah, I'll sponsor it. I don't mind.
Wow.
I'm telling you.
That's very kind of you.
Thank you.
And her mom will be pleased to hear me.
I know. You know them personally? You know her family?
Yeah. They're very good people.
Honestly, may God bless her mother for training such a hardworking lady.
Honestly, try yo. She sabi walk. He dey walk. But me, I sabi walk person. But I'm happy. Thank you so much.
That reminds me.
What?
What about your influencer in-laws? Those jagabans.
Why do you like to spoil the mood? You don't like this. You know what? Just take yourself to the office.
Sorry, Jared. Don't mind me. I couldn't help but
I will mind you. Go your office. I'm a bo. Me bo. Nebo. Your influencer in-laws. I want to spoil this mood.
Samantha, come here. Samantha, come here. Come here. Samantha, don't look for my trouble. Come here. Samantha, I said you should come here. Samantha.
What's going on here?
Samantha, come here.
What's going on?
Come here right now.
Stacy, what's the problem? Who is after? What's going on here?
Samantha,
Huh?
come here. Now.
Stacy, what is going on here?
Samantha, what happened? Can you imagine? Imagine this stupid girl. Imagine this village girl. Fine. You want to know why? Okay. I asked her to come help me clean my room while I was on live with the biggest clothing line on IG. This useless, mad, smelling idiot have the nerves to ask me to shift for her to clean the room. Can you imagine? Do you know how embarrassed I felt?
Excuse me.
Excuse you what?
Please let me get something straight. You mean your room is dirty? You invited her to clean it and now you are beating her for trying to do her job. What's wrong with you?
Let me ask you. Her job? Wait, are you trying to tell me that a useless cleaning job is more important than the deal I was about to embark?
Excuse me, Stacy. I've been quiet. You know, right now you are acting very immature, despite your age. Now I expected you to be more mature than this. What is wrong with you? You could have asked her to come back, or better still, she should wait.
But I asked her to be quiet.
You know, Rose, I've been respecting you. I would have to disrespect you. Because this girl, I brought her to you. I will not stand by and watch this old cargo here.
What did you just call me? Are you mad? Like, are you... Don't try me.
You are. And if you say one more word, I'll beat you black.
Auntie Rose. Sister Rose, warn your friend because you know if I display my madness in this place, I don't want to hear stop it. I don't want to hear stop it. I don't want to hear stop it.
Come, let me help you out this place.
It's because of you.
Come. Let me
bring your brother down.
Amaka.
You see you.
You will not respect yourself.
What will you do?
Go and marry. Go and marry.
What will you do?
What's the problem? Every day in this house.
Go to your brother's house.
It's okay. Don't do this now.
Hold your friend.
Amaka.
Idiot.
Nonsense.
Look at those. What I would have done to you in this house.
Marry and leave my brother's house.
You go and marry. Leave this house. All you do in this house is just to eat and do nothing.
Amaka.
Don't talk to me.
Are you hot?
No.
I'll go and finish the chores in the kitchen.
Ma, I'm not tired. I can walk.
It's okay.
As a matter of fact, don't help any of them clean their rooms. Let them go and clean their rooms themselves. Nonsense.
Rose, why would you invite your friend to this house to gang up on my sister?
Gang up? Gang up over who? I didn't
You're
know
acting dumb, right? You're playing dumb with me.
No.
First of all, you go out there and talk about the private affairs of this house to outsiders. And secondly, you invite your friends to this house to insult and threaten my sister.
Babe, I can understand.
Hey, now you listen to me. I'm not here to listen to your explanation. I am just here to warn you that next time your friend comes to this house, I will break those 2 legs of yours. Rubbish.
Baby, I can...
Can you stop talking? Stop talking! What is wrong with you? Nonsense. You bring your friends to this house to come and threaten my sister. What is wrong with you? You talk beans?
He would do what? Break whose legs? What did I do wrong? Because I simply corrected his sisters.
Listen to me. I understand where you're coming from, okay? But I have never ever seen my husband that angry. I don't know how you want to do this, but please, anytime before you come to my house, just send me a message or call me. Then I'll let you know my availability. Then we'll look for somewhere else and see. You cannot come to my house for now until this whole thing dies down, because I don't want to have issues with my husband, please.
Okay, I've heard. Who else would I be coming to the house to check up on if not you?
Right.
But if you said I shouldn't come, no problem, I won't.
I'm really sorry. Okay.
No problem, we'll be seeing in the office then.
Okay.
But come to think of it, do you think the relationship between your husband and his sisters is normal?
Of course. The relationship between my sisters and I is perfectly normal. Okay? It is not bad for a brother to fiercely protect his sisters, is it?
Yeah, you're right. But not at the cost of his own marriage. You can't do that.
There's nothing, absolutely nothing going to happen to my marriage. Look, all I need to do is to set boundaries for them so that they all know their place.
Well, if I've been honest with you, Rex, it seems to me like the only person you are setting boundary for in the house is your wife. Yeah. But believe me, Anat, a woman can take so much, not until she can take no more.
And what is that supposed to mean?
In a simple term, do not push away your wife in trying to protect your siblings. Because your wife is part of you now. And believe me or not, one day, just one day, your sisters will leave you to be with their husbands. Yeah.
Samantha.
Auntie, good afternoon.
Afternoon, what are you doing?
I'm making lunch. Madam just called me that she will soon be back. So I want to prepare food for her.
I need you to help me do something in my room, like now.
Okay, I'm coming. Let me just round up with the good.
I don't have that time. Let's go. It won't take time. Follow me immediately. Okay. Leave this thing. Drop it. Drop.
Let me off the
Leave
gas.
it. Drop. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Samantha! Samantha!
Samantha,
Welcome, ma.
what has come over you? Has something gone wrong in your head? You are here and you put something on fire? You want to burn this house?
She forced me.
And you are here doing what?
She forced me.
Kim, look at what is wrong with you. And you know that I know you. There is no way that girl would have left her duties if you hadn't forced her. Now let me warn you. Let this be the first and the last time you will force your will on that poor girl. Am I understood? So she told you I forced her, Abi? Did she tell you I tied her legs and her hands to follow me to my room? Eh? Kim, am I understood? Let this be the last time. I will not repeat myself again. It's yours. Can you imagine? The pictures are not even fine. What nonsense is this? How am I even supposed to get likes with this nonsense? I'm deleting. I need to shout for me. So I just wasted my time, my makeup, my energy for this nonsense.
Samantha.
Ma.
Where are you leaving with your bag?
Ma, please, I need your permission to leave.
Leave? Why do you want to leave? Have I treated you bad?
No, ma.
Then why?
Ma. Honestly, I enjoy working with you. You're a very nice person. But the problem I have in this house is the other aunties. Please. My mother taught me that I should always run away from trouble whenever I see one. And if I continue to stay in this house, I'm going to get into bigger trouble. Please, just permit me to leave, please.
Please stand up, please. Just stand up. You really want to go?
Yes, ma.
So there is nothing I can say or do to make you stay?
No, ma.
I honestly understand your fears. I understand how you feel. To be honest, if I were to be in your position, I'll do the same. Just do this for me. Sit down while I go get my car key so I can drop you at the park, okay?
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma.
Sit down. I'm coming.
You should have informed me. You should have called me. Because I was the one that brought her to you.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry. I should have, yes. But she wanted to go. The poor lady wanted to go and I had to grant her request.
That's the problem. You don't always think things through. You always want to act innocent so that you can be pitied.
Excuse me? Where's that coming from? I mean, what wrong have I done to you? Where's all this coming from?
See, if you continue to play this victim, I would not hesitate to tell you the truth as it is.
Samantha. Samantha. Samantha.
Babe? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you sure? If you're fine, why is there no food in the kitchen? I mean, I'm not hungry, but my sisters are complaining that they've not eaten all day. Why?
Wait, Rex. For all I can remember, I'm still your wife, right? I am your wife. I am not your sister's slave. If they're so hungry, why don't they walk into the kitchen and make food for themselves? They are 3 grown women. For crying out loud, I am done with all this nonsense. So many women out there will not tolerate this. But I come back from work tired, I cook for them because I love you. But I am tired, I am done. I am done.
So you're saying that my sisters should starve?
No, what I want to ask you is there more to just them being your sisters or something? Because I don't get it. I don't understand. As for me cooking for them, I will not.
Darling, you're making this look like a big deal. It's just a mere meal. It's food. It's not a big deal.
It's meal. It's meal. Why don't you go do the meal inside the kitchen? Why can't you use your own hands? 2 hands and cook. You are hungry.
It's okay. You're not going to do it. It's fine. Just do as you please, okay? Chloe? I want
Nonsense.
you to go upstairs. Get my car keys. Call your sisters. And let's go out and get something to eat. Okay?
Okay.
Honey, I can't believe that you actually want my sisters to starve. That is not nice.
And I cannot believe you will tell your wife to cook for your sisters. I cannot believe that you have insulted me so much in this house.
You said you love me.
Yes, I love you and I can't take it anymore.
So you should love me with anything that comes with me.
I will not take bullshit anymore.
You're hungry, right?
Very, very.
5-star?
Woo!
Let's go. Rex in the building.
Okay,
Chocolate drop.
We are
You have the keys, right? Let's go. Let's go.
Yay, my big frog!
What is it?
You are not doing your sisters good. Do you think you are doing them good? Rex? This is their girls, so they will get married someday. They will get married someday.
Baby, these are my sisters. Blood. You feel me?
Let's
go. Let's go. Let's go. Chocolate drop, got you. All day, every day.
Bruce, you don't enter. You don't enter one chance.
We never have misunderstandings. What is going on?
The only misunderstanding we keep having is that you keep pampering your sisters like they're kids. What is really going on? I don't have a problem with them being social media influencers.
But they should at least put an effort in the house chores or something. They should help out. Babe, I go to work. Every day I come back, I cook, I clean, I wash, I do practically everything. They don't help me out. For how long will I keep doing this? I can't do this. I can't keep up. I can't. It's draining. It's draining. How am I supposed to be happy?
How about another house help?
Another house help? Have you forgotten what they did to the last lady I brought here? They frustrated her to the point that she ran away. She said she couldn't stay. I mean, nobody would tolerate that attitude from them. Nobody.
What I mean is an elderly house help, like a mother figure. I believe they won't be able to frustrate her.
I didn't think of that. That could work.
See? 2 heads are better than 1. We can be a very good team if we put our differences aside.
Mr. Team Leader. But first, how do we get a matured elderly house help? How do we get that person?
Don't worry. Just leave that to me. Okay? Bienta? Okay.
Seriously, your sisters, you need to talk to them.
It's okay.
Leave me. Please leave me.
See, you just stayed here. See, that means... See? So, Philomena.
My pikin. Oh, sorry. Oga. My name na Philo. That one where you carry journal, the inside. As my mama born me, you just carry that Philo. Just give me.
I beg your pardon?
No. I not take Panadol. I will.
Okay. Philo, right?
Philo. Just Philo.
The name is Rex, and this is Rose, my wife. I want you to tell me why you think you're the best candidate for this job.
Oga, this one where you just talk now. Say me, I no can't go school inside. I no go inside. Nah, I know this one where you can't speak. It just they turn my head. I know.
What I'm saying is, why should we give you this job?
Okay, give me the... Oga, give me the job. Hey! As I dey waka, they go. I can't look that place where this your house. I can't see the employment. The implementation where there outside. So now it make me say, implementation go there inside. So I make a committee.
It's like you're not understanding what I'm saying. So I want you to tell me the things you would do if you are to get this job.
The things I go do. Okay.
You're like, what are the things you would do when you get this job? If you come to this house, if you're working here now, what are the things that you will be doing?
Hey! Oga me. Oga, look me. Me, I know they like dirty for my life. I know they like dirty. Oga. Me, I know they take this my eye, see dirty. I no go let dirty make it enter inside this house. This Oyibo, I no go let dirty make it enter inside. Oga, I go even they wash your clothes, they wash everywhere, they clean everywhere. Now try they tell you, I know they like dirty. Even though of your food, I go they cook sweet food they give you. If you want my native nation food, I go they cook and join them.
No need for that. When it comes to food, my wife here will tell you what to cook every day, okay? So I believe you understand why we're going to employ you in this house. Because from what you're saying, you know what you're about, right?
I'm standing. I stand the work. As you see me there now. Hey, I stand the work.
Philo, wait. Can you start work like immediately? Like right now?
Working?
Yes.
Okay. Not talk am again. I don't start.
No.
Make I begin the...
No, not now.
Don't worry.
Oga, make I...
No, it's okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My wife here will... No. Oh, no. No.
Madam, it's okay. It's okay.
I walk.
Fine.
You're
my wife
very
here...
hardworking.
Yes. We can see that. My wife here will show you to your room.
I'll show you to your room, okay?
To your room.
Yeah, to
No, your room.
Okay. I done the work.
Yes.
I don't begin the work.
Yes.
Oga, God will bless you.
Yes, you
Oga, madam, God will bless you.
You bring your bag.
Your
bag.
My bag. I carry my bag, come. I carry him.
Okay, go on.
You there outside.
Go and bring it.
Okay, madam. God bless you.
No, don't worry. Go and bring the bag.
Just go and bring your bag.
Okay, madam. Okay. Okay, madam. Before I come say, as implementation day here. Now, God don't talk and say you go give me
Just
implementation.
Philo, right?
Philo. The other one no dey inside though.
No
Not only Philo, you go just Philo.
No problem.
Put that.
Okay.
Okay.
Go and bring the bag.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you too. No,
I don't start work. Hey! Okay, I dey come. I bring my bag.
Where did you find her?
outside.
Thank you.
Yeah. Whoa. Superstar, that's who we are. Let no lie deceive you. You are beautiful, nobody like you. You a masterpiece. Come on, do the catwalk, raise up head up high, yeah. One way on the highway, on the highway, on the highway. One way on the highway, one way on the highway, on the highway, on the highway. One way on the highway, one way on the highway, one way on the highway. Rise and move and shine, cause you're a superstar. Your beauty has no limit, cause that's who you are. You're beautiful, you're wonderful, that's just the truth. So look up on the highway.
Hey!
Are you okay? Are you raving mad? Philo? Why did you disrupt my video? Are you mad?
Wait, so. Now who you dey talk to?
You, of course. Is there any other person called Philo here?
Me?
Yes.
Of course.
Don't you know why you are here? Are you here to make TikTok videos with me? Don't you know why you are here?
No, I'm here to die. I'm here to die. So now me, Philo, you just they call me Philo, as if now you carry this name. Give my mama say, if he born me, may he carry and give me.
My friend, shut up.
So you no get shame to the insult old woman like me.
My friend.
Old woman, where he born you, I get picking where go born you. You they insult me.
Do I look like I care? Just look at me. Take a good look at me. Do I look like I freaking care?
I saw you.
If you like be a grandmother or not, mind your lane. Do you understand? You are here to cook and clean. Mind that. Mind your department. Do you understand? Rubbish. You want to follow who and dance? You always doing that one. You always doing that one. Be on your own lane.
Free kicker. No problem. You insulted me. Yeah.
My friend, get out.
Hey! Philo, see this small girl, oh. See this small girl yesterday. I know say even your feeding bottle, they never even throw away all of them finish. Your papa sit there in a house where you come, they insult me. Picking where they just born yesterday. If you see my children here, you go feel insult me. You go feel they insult me. They speak this big grammar for me. I don't blame you. Now myself, we can do house work. Now condition. Now I make crayfish come bend me reach like this. I come they clean, they feature, they clean. Now myself, now I blame. I don't blame you. You they shout my name, they insult me, they join all my sufferness for our house. I don't blame you now. An old woman like me, I can't say make I. But this is fine. I can't say make I join you. They dance. You they insult me. They speak big grammar for me. Your mama no train you well, that's why I see him. I don't go even the clean again. I can just go inside. Come, let me talk him. Come, yeah, girl, where they no train well.
Wow. You know, I thank God we're able to prove a defense before the auditors.
But I told you, they mean seriousness this time.
And we were very much ready for them.
I see.
Waiter! Waiter!
How about your wife?
Oh, yeah, she got a maid.
It's perfect.
Yeah.
Yes, wonderful. And your sisters, have you done what I told you to do?
Truth is, I have not, but I'll do it as soon as possible.
The earlier the better.
I know.
That's by the way, so
Yeah.
so what's up with Valencia merchandise?
Yeah, we really need to start working on that. You know, I was thinking that we send all the emails together instead of sending it in, parts.
You're right. At least that'll be perfectly okay.
That's okay?
That's perfectly okay.
Okay, say you pay for the drinks now. Say you like
I don't want to drink today.
Because you pay. I want to
I
drink
paid
today.
the last time, remember?
Oh, okay.
But you do it well. I'm happy for your family now.
Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Hello?
Okay.
This delicacy is delicious.
Hey. Okay, I no put salt. I no put salt plenty.
It means this food is sweet.
Sweet, yes.
Hey, sweet.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Philo, I was thinking, I know we don't have vegetables in the house. So how did you get vegetables?
Vegetable? Okay, madam. Okay, madam, now that time why I say, make I go clean Oga room for up. Now me, I come there, they clean the room, come throw away my eye for the window. That side where nobody they live inside. Where Aboki people they throw away shit, they shit for there. Where get big water they soak away come out. I can't see vegetable plenty for there. Madam, madam, you just they carry your money, they go they throw away. My madam.
Wait.
Auntie Philo, are you trying to tell us that you got vegetables nurtured by fishes to cook this soup?
I'm not going to hear that one now. Okay?
Jesus Christ.
How can you cook with vegetables you got from such place?
Waiting come happen. Jesus. Okay? The food not come sweet again.
Excuse me.
Okay? The food not come sweet.
Come and finish your food. You see this food? You finish the whole food on this table. Excuse me.
Okay?
You want to kill us? Hey! This woman.
Okay, madam, now waiting now.
Even the meat too. Even the meat. Hey!
Okay, madam. Now.
And even the meat too.
Hey!
Hey!
Now waiting now.
Hey!
You don't come sweet again.
Hey! Hey!
Okay, madam, now waiting I can't do now.
Madam Philo, why now? Why? I know where you come from. It's natural to eat vegetables you see around. But this is the city. We regard such vegetables around as weeds. They are not good for the body. You know, if you want money for vegetables, you ask me and I'll give you the money. Unwanted, oh Jesus. Just,
Madam, I'm sorry. I don't know say no Yibo food for
okay,
this house.
Just clear the table.
Oga, madam, I'm sorry. Oga, madam.
It's okay, just clear the table.
Oga, madam. Oga, madam, I'm sorry. Oga, madam.
Can you imagine? To think that I ingested that thing into my belly.
But babe, on a serious note, we shouldn't blame her, you know.
Who is to blame? Yourself or me?
The poor woman didn't mean any harm.
Of course she did not mean any harm. But that does not change the fact that what she did was unhygienic. I mean, how can you think of going to this place to get vegetables to... Oh my God, I can't even think about it.
But
I'm just wondering how I'm going to get this taste out of my mouth.
But babe, what's the essence now? We've eaten it. If you're talking about this now, what about the one we swallowed? Huh?
I can see you're really enjoying this. You're enjoying this, right? Go in there and brush your teeth. If not, you're not going to kiss me. What is it?
Why you do like this?
Doing
when
what?
I'm trying to kiss you.
Kiss who? Hey, go and brush your teeth. Go in there, go and brush your teeth. You just...
Hey.
Philo?
Huh?
Where are you going to?
I wash clothes. I won't go dry them.
That one can wait. It's not important. Come.
Huh?
Auntie Philo,
Please,
I am begging you. I want you to give me a very hot, dripping picture.
Drip. But you know they're sick now. How you go hospital, go drink?
Auntie Philo, which village are you from?
No.
Did you hear me say hospital drip? No. Drip like fashion, picture, hot picture.
This small guy. Okay, now picture you they talk like this. They speak BB grammar.
Yes.
I go slap you now.
I'm not saying now. You wait for me. I'll go upstairs, change to something sexy, you know? Touch my makeup a little, then I'll calm down. I'll give you my phone. Auntie Philo. Auntie Philo. Hot picture.
Okay.
Dripping picture. I need hot picture, like you snap me very well because I want to bombard my Instagram followers with hot pictures. Hot pictures. This is how you carry phone. Position the camera. I'll stand there. Just make sure you capture everything because they are waiting for me to drop it.
Okay.
So I don't want any dull moments. My page has to be hot.
I go use your phone.
I'll give you my phone now. Yes.
Now.
So you snap
Slap
hot
them
pictures.
well.
Thank you. Just forget about the clothes. Let me just go up and change and come.
Hot one.
Hot pictures.
Hot.
Sexy hot pictures.
Okay.
I want to look hot on Instagram today.
Hot. I go hot, eh? You not go even touch yourself. If I finish with her, you not go even touch her. Hot. Tripping. Okay, I go do them for you. I go do them for you. Okay. Where I go? This man no want talk again. No, I no dey even hear what he mean. Small madam! Chai! See as you come fine. If person come marry you now, you go dey born fine pikin for am.
Thank you. You know. But as for marriage, hell no. Not this year, not even in the next 5 years. Please, I'm not ready to marry, please. I still have to enjoy myself. You know?
Why you no wan come marry now?
Sister Philo, can you stop this and focus on what we want to do today? I want to achieve something. I want to achieve a perfect picture so that I can post it on my Instagram. I want to have likes and followers. Do you understand?
Yes,
please,
mama,
thank you.
I dey come.
Where are you going to?
Make I go bring am. I dey come. Make I go bring am. Wait, oh.
Bring what?
The phone. Make I dey come.
Hey. Let me not spoil my makeup.
Hey! I don't bring her.
Philo?
Small madam.
Why are you putting my phone in your towel?
Small madam, no dey talk like that now. You think say I be that kind village woman? As you can't take talk, I can't look. I say, anything where drip dey na water. I can't go put them for water. Come put them for fire.
You do what?
Touch
Why would you put my phone in the fire? Why?
No, I don't put them like this for fire. Oh. I don't put them like this for fire. I first pour water, full them for pot, put them for water for the fire. You come boil well. I come put the phone. Touch them.
Why you put my phone in the fire? Why?
Small madam.
Why? Hey, Instagram! Why would you do this? Why would you do that?
Small madam, not do like that, oh. No compose now. I never do your leg well. No compose. Now you tell me say you need hot. Anything where hot, the drip, the hot. Now you want. Now I can't go do them the way you go like them. You can't depose. You never teach me. Small madam, wait. Make I.
The doctor said you're going to be fine.
Brother, how will I be fine? Just tell me. That witch of a woman just ruined my life. See the way she was boiling my phone as if she was boiling yam. How will I live without social media? My fans are waiting for me to post pictures.
Don't worry, your followers can wait. Okay, I'm sure you can cope.
Are you making fun of me right now?
Making fun of you? Why would I do that? I just don't want you to stress yourself over this phone. Just focus on getting well first.
I can't live without social media. Brother, please, will you get me a new phone?
Is it?
Will you get me a new phone?
That is going to be a problem because business has been very slow. It is my wife that has been supporting me.
Your wife?
Yeah.
Aye.
Sorry.
Brother? Brother, she's your wife, right? And she can do anything you want her to do for you. Brother, tell her to get me a new phone now.
Excuse me. Somebody's calling me.
She don't know.
Musa. How are you? They are building me, but yeah.
There is no way I am using my hard-earned money to buy your sister a phone. The latest iPhone? No way.
You would have gotten it for me if I was the one who needed it, right?
That's because you're my husband. My loyalty and support goes to you, and you alone.
I thought we've gone past this stage. I mean, my sisters don't stress you like they used to. Okay, can you just buy it for her? I will pay you in a month's time.
I am not buying a phone for her.
Why are you finding it so hard to let go? Huh? Why? You know what? Forget about it. I will find a way to get a phone for her. Thanks for nothing.
See fashion. Lord, this clothes is wow. Stacy, are you busy? As you can see, I'm reading. I was thinking if you could go with me to the store. As what? I can't remember being your escort or your personal assistant.
I wanted to get you the latest iPhone. You know, I didn't know the particular color you would like, but since you're not interested, I think I'll just choose any color I like.
Wait. Wait. Tell me you're joking.
I don't joke at this time.
Are you serious? Go. Are you serious? You want to buy me a new phone?
Mm-hmm. The latest iPhone.
Tell me, why did you change your mind? Because few minutes ago, you say you're not going to help me out.
Let's say the resolve was not as firm as I thought it was. So this is true.
You're getting me on your phone! I miss Instagram. I miss... Hey! Let me go and cheat. Let me go and cheat.
I thought you wanted to wear this. No, you can just wear this. Let's just go.
God forbid. Do you want my fans to see me like that? No! Okay. I'm always on point.
Okay.
Hey! Thank you! New phone alert! Instagram, here I go! Oh my God!
Skill has come back.
It's like I don't know the woman I married anymore. It's like a different person, a whole different person. The Rose I used to date back then would do anything I asked just to please me. But now she questions my very authority.
Yeah, that's one way of thinking of looking at it. But have you tried thinking about the difference in your relationship? That is, the difference between your relationship from the time you've not married and now that you're married.
How do you mean?
Look, she must have surrendered herself to you because of the respect that you were giving her before the marriage. And your attachment to your sisters seems like you're afraid of losing them than her. And if you ask me, as an independent woman as she is, she tried hard to prove to you that she can be fine. She can be strong on her own.
But the thing is, I don't want to lose her in as much as I don't want to lose my sisters.
That's a bit of dilemma for you, isn't it? What? If I give you an advice, will you take it?
Yeah.
Okay, this is what you will do to reassure her that you still have the love for her and your commitment for her.
When two hearts beat as one, love sparkles and blows up like flowers. Nothing matters to me but your love. I'm feeling that so strong. I feel butterflies. But no matter what comes our way, we keep standing on our feet. We are never losing hope. When there is love.
Hey, my fans. Hey, you all. How you are doing? Yes, I said I was going to be back in an hour's time. Here I am. Okay, I'll be live at the beach this weekend for you all who's been wanting to see me live. So this is an opportunity for you to come through. Let's party together. And of course, I'll be there live bringing my banging buddy. Oh, thank you, my afro, yay. It's from Hair by Jenny. Thank you. Yeah, my jewelry. Yes, so this is an opportunity for you to come through. Let's party, let's have fun. Come on with your hot bikinis. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, James. My bralette is from Jenny's hair, from Jenny's closet, and my hair is from Jenny's hair. Thank you so much. Thank you. I should turn around. Of course, why not? Not to me. Please tap, invite your friends. Let's get more views, you know. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, my jewelry. Thank you so much. Hey! Wait, what's wrong with this woman? Are you unfortunate? Can't you see I'm on live stream?
What did I do you? What did I do you? I can make you slap me like this?
Very lucky it's just a slap. Must you always come to embarrass me whenever I'm on a live stream? Are you unfortunate?
Now because I say make I come cover your nakedness.
Did I ask you to come cover my nakedness? Or did I tell you I'm not aware of what I'm wearing? The next time you try this nonsense again, the next time you try it, I will hit you with whatever I see close to me. Nonsense. And for this rap, I don't want to ever see it close to me again. Can you imagine?
Pikin, my pikin fit born. Pikin why I don't born people wey sit down and finish. And because I say make I come work dey get small money. And I make this small pikin go come dey slap me. Me and you no be the same mate, me and you no be. But I born you. I even born your mama. Where born your mama? What do you mean you can't do? See breasts everywhere. See Danish everywhere. I say make I come cover us small. You can't slap me. Below. Below you don't suffer. I don't suffer.
My new phone, God! You know what? See the picture quality. Hey! Wifey, thank you so much. Ha! It's gonna be bang bang. Madam, hold on, please, stop. What is it? Why are you crying? What's the problem?
Madam, you be better person though. You be good woman. Anybody will follow you, not gonna die quick. But all these your children when you carry food this house, me I don't feel stay with them again.
What is it? Can you just say something like, what happened?
No be that one when they follow up for back. As today now, you can't go wear clothes where they like this. This one go open like this. As I go see him, I go carry rapper. Say, make I cover up. You can't slap me for here. Slap me again. Okay, madam. If you see here, you can't slap me.
What? Ma, hold on. You mean Kim slapped you?
I don't feel tell you lie. I don't feel like you. Not only that one, though. The one when they pay me most, she said she go bring this my small hair where remain. I don't feel stay again.
Madam, it's okay. I totally understand how you feel, okay? And it's right if you want to leave it. I understand that. But can you wait for my husband to come back so that, I mean, he's the one that employed you here. He will talk to you or see you before you leave.
No. I don't feel wait for anybody. I don't feel wait again. Okay, madam, this is your children. They feel kill me. Bury me for backyard. They ask you go ask them. They go tell you say they don't know where I did. Make I dey go. As I carry my life for join body, call your house. You can't do me well. They say I don't feel stay here. Make I just carry my life, join body. They waka come out as I take come. Okay, madam, thank you. You dey try for me.
I understand. Madam.
Okay. Oh God, let me go to live and tell people what. Hey, see, put your face. Let's do video. So guys, oh, my brother's wife just got me the latest iPhone 13 Pro Max. Oh my God, look at that, she's so sexy. You know, I'm coming back to back with the artist pictures. Trust me.
She did what? Why? On what grounds?
My dear, I don't know. The old woman saw Kim wearing a skimpy dress. The modeling side of her came to play. And then she used something to cover her up. And then Kim gave her a dirty slap and told her that she was going to break her head if she tries it the next time. And the old woman had to go.
Kim had the audacity to slap a woman old enough to be a mother? Oh no. That is enough. That is the height of it. Rubbish.
Babe, take it easy.
Kim!
Easy. Ha.
Yes, I did. How does it feel? Huh? I might be a doting brother, but I will not sit and watch you disrespect your elders. Why did you slap her?
I don't want just on my head. Stream. She came and interrupted me. Not only did she interrupt me, she made my father start commenting that I'm going out with my grandma. Why would she do that?
Is that enough reason for you to slap a woman old enough to be your mother?
She may be old enough to be my mother, but she's not. And you're not my father either.
Oh, I am not, but I am your elder brother. And henceforth, I will not sit and watch you misbehave without cautioning you. If you're not comfortable, leave my house and go fend for yourself. Nonsense. Now give me that phone. Give me that phone. I will hold on to this phone until you show remorse of your behavior.
Carried your phone.
Babe, what happened?
Slapping a woman old enough to be your mother. Nonsense.
Babe. Oh, come on. You shouldn't have collected her phone from her now. Kim will not be happy.
That was the best thing for me to do. And how could you slap that woman? Why? I shouldn't have entertained her bad attitude without putting her in check. Amongst all my sisters, do you know she's the most violent and stubborn one? Thinking that being nice to them would make them change, but it has made them worse. And why are you laughing? What is funny?
You know, I have never seen you in this mood before. In fact, I am so proud of the husband I married. Yes! I've been expecting you to do these things. Now that, in fact, Ibo, Dogu, you are now Dogu, or Dogu. Yes, it's good.
Wow.
What is this?
I've been talking to my friend on how to make my marriage work. If not, these girls would drive me crazy. It reminds me, I had good news to tell you, but because of this, it skipped my mind.
Baby, what is the good news? You know I like good news.
Calm down. So I have sealed a contract worth 50 million.
Tell me, baby.
So I have booked. Can you calm down?
Yeah, okay, sorry. You have
I have booked a couples only trip for 2 weeks to Maldives. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I realized I haven't.
Oh.
So I want to fix that.
Oh.
That is why I am taking you so far away.
Baby, come now.
Wait, hold on, let me finish.
Okay, finish
I'm
fast.
taking you so far away where you would do absolutely nothing.
Take me.
No cooking, no work, no cleaning,
Baby.
no arguing with my sisters.
Do you want to sleep with me?
Baby, let me finish. No arguing with my sisters. You and I,
Baby.
chilling,
Do you
balling,
want to sleep with me?
balling,
Having
fun.
Baby,
I love
sleep
you.
with me.
It's good to have the three of you here right now. Kim, I'm so sorry for keeping your phone away from you. I'm sure by now you would want to be online doing whatever you would like to do instead of listening to me, so I am going to be very brief about this. My wife here and I have decided to take a 2 weeks vacation. Yes. We are going to stock this house well to keep you guys...
Sorry to interrupt, brother. So who is going to be cooking for us and cleaning this house for us?
Who is going to be cooking and cleaning?
Yes.
Are you serious? You guys would have to do a roster or timetable or something to fend yourselves.
Brother, can I have my phone now?
Can you have your phone now?
Brother, let me have my phone already now.
Don't worry, you have your phone before we leave.
But this is not a good idea. How can you just leave us alone in this house? As for me, I'm not ready to cook. I don't even want to learn how to cook. I have a very big target to achieve on my Instagram, so I will not have time to cook.
You know, there's a saying that 2 heads are better than 1. And I see 3 heads here. And I think 3 heads is better than 2. So you guys will definitely fend yourself and take good care of yourselves. But most importantly, take good care of this house. I don't want to come back and this house is in a mess. If not, you will have to deal with me. Do you understand?
Should I talk to the 2 of them?
I'm talking to the 3 of you.
Exactly. Exactly. I don't know why
You should be taking care of me.
Hey, you know I'm still here. I'm still here. You are still... Hey. Who be that? Look at these girls.
Not shut up your mouth.
Hey. Are you serious? Stacey, what's wrong with you?
Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see what you just did?
Brother, just tell her to learn how to respect us.
Hey, Oga. What's wrong?
See, I'm even talking on her
time for
behalf.
my live this on Instagram. I want to...
Live interview, kill you dear. Interview, kill you dear.
Me too, I want to
Serious?
go live.
Telling each other, shut up.
You don't see what she's doing and you don't say anything.
Can you guys keep quiet? Keep your mouth shut. I'm tired. That's why we are leaving this house for 2 weeks.
But brother, please talk to her too. You even know
Hey.
Jesus!
Let me come back and see this house in a mess.
As small as you are, you don't have respect.
Hey.
Sorry.
Came to say goodbye already.
No, we are not leaving until tomorrow. Kim, you know, being your elder brother has its perks. And it's a huge weight. Which means that I always have to look for ways to provide, protect, support you girls because you all are looking up to me. You know, at a point in life, I never had anyone looking out for me. You girls were still young when we lost our parents. And all that burden was on my shoulders. I never complained, neither am I complaining now. Look, I'm here to apologize for slapping you. I just wanted to send home a lesson. I hope you learned your lesson and you can forgive me. But bear in mind that your big brother loves you no matter what.
Yeah. Brother, I love you too.
I still think, brother, you should have employed a house girl that will be the cleaning and the cooking. Usually junk food will be eaten in this house. These two, I'm very sure they will not enter kitchen to make food for anybody.
Brother, she's right.
Like I said, a roster would help, okay? Every day, one of you would have your duty to perform in this house. Before you know it, we'll be back.
But Sister Kim cannot cook.
Babe, can you calm down? I don't want us to miss our flight.
I'm coming. I'm here.
I think there's someone at the door.
Babe,
Can you get it?
tell me.
The cabman taking us to the airport.
How do I look?
You look good. I want you to get it. You look
How
nice.
do I look?
You look sporty. Did you guys hear what I said?
Yes.
Good.
What are you doing here, my baby? What are you doing here?
I came to spend my holidays with you. I promised.
Your holiday?
Baby, can I have a word with you? Okay. I'm sorry.
Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, just sit right here. Oops. Okay.
Okay, my bag. You can go.
Bag?
Who are you?
Sit well. She's even crossing.
Honey,
Yes, my love.
you asked your niece to come spend the holidays when we are going on a vacation and you didn't care to inform me?
Baby, I'm sorry. It skipped my mind. Besides, I told her long before you brought up the vacation. I forgot.
Well, she's here now. What are we going to do?
Well, she can't go with us to the vacation. So I'll call her mom and tell her that I'm keeping her with your sister so she can come pick her up. If your sisters don't mind.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
What's your name? Where are you from?
What are your names? Anyways, nice meeting you guys.
Thank goodness. You know, I was afraid you were going to cancel on the vacation.
Cancel, God forbid. If this vacation is a key to saving our marriage, I will do everything I can.
Okay, well, we have to get going.
Okay, let me make her understand.
Unzubeya! Unzubeya! Oh, Unzubey, my baby. Come.
You know, I am so happy that you came to spend vacation with us, but unfortunately, my husband and I were going on a business trip. So I'll call your mommy and then the driver that brought you here will take you back, okay? Please just understand.
No. But you promised that I should come and spend my holidays here.
I promised, yes I did, but the thing is that we are traveling. When I come back, I promise I'll call for you.
Auntie Rose, there won't be need for that. She can stay.
Really?
I mean, the poor kid came to spend a holiday. She's obviously staying, so...
Who will stay with her? I mean, who will take care of her?
Of course.
You guys?
Yes, we will take care of her. Can't we? I mean, the poor kid just came to spend a long holiday. Letting her go will just break her heart. I mean, she already has a mind of enjoying her holiday, so why not take care of her?
You want to stay?
Mm-hmm. Then she can stay!
No.
You can stay, my darling!
Yeah.
Oh my...
She can stay.
Yeah.
But honey, can we get going because we're going to miss our flight?
Yes,
okay?
yes. You know what? When I come back, I am going to buy you loads and loads of goodies, okay? Woo, that's my girl! All right, ciao, guys! And make sure you have fun. Have fun.
Bye,
Fun. Okay? But
do not burn this house down.
don't
Okay.
burn the house, please.
Let's go.
Okay?
Brother, please, one more thing.
What?
Talk to her. Tell her to just...
Honey, can we just go?
Else. Brother, you should better talk to Stacey.
Oh my God! Baby, I cannot wait! Woo.
Better stand up and follow them. Now! Because this house... What was the meaning of that rubbish you did downstairs? What?
What rubbish?
Why will you tell Rose that we are going to take care of the little girl? As what? No, tell me as what?
Listen, where you girls see responsibilities, I see opportunity. Do you know we can make use of this girl to do all of our house chores, washing our plates, including cooking our meals? Because left for me, I won't stain my nails or even fulfill my social media for any of these house chores. So leave it that way.
You know, I didn't think of that. You're a smart girl.
I'm the smartest one, of course.
Hey. What's that? Huh?
What do you want to say? You will not keep your mouth shut.
Sister, did you hear my voice? God, I beg you.
Stand up.
I beg you.
Leave my room, please.
Your new pattern is just disrespecting me this period, Shebi.
Leave my room!
I'm a senior. I'll deal with you. I'll just remove this your balls.
Leave my room!
You two out. Won't you? Is this your room? Let's go.
Both of you out. Get out!
Sister, even just out.
Now you have AC in your room now. Let me stay.
I'll stone you. Out.
Just one TikTok video now. Let's do it.
Is this your room?
No.
Go to your room.
Even me.
Go to your room!
You always vex. You see, that's the problem I have. You're always angry.
Get out. I want to do my...
Sorry.
Useless children.
It's unfair.
Oh my God, I need to go on Instagram right now. I need to do live.
Kim, I was watching that.
Please shut up your mouth. You were watching that. Who told you you could watch television in this house? Besides, have you done any house chores today? Have you?
I'm not supposed to do anything because I'm here for holidays.
You're not supposed to do anything. Before I will open my eyes, Before I will close my eyes and open them, you go and pick up a broom, sweep the whole of this house, and even mop them. Make sure everywhere is sparkling clean.
That's wrong, Auntie Kim. God to demand I don't do anything because I'm here to spend my holidays. You need to pamper me, carry me everywhere, take me to shopping, all these kind of things, and not to treat me the other way around. You're my auntie now.
Hey, just listen to yourself. By the time you don't do the house chores, I'll make sure I starve you till you shrink. You see how little you're looking already? You will shrink till nobody will be able to see you again. Don't do it. Will you? Oh, yeah, here, go. Go and do the house chores. Go! Leave here. Go and pick up a broom. See your tiny voice. Rubbish. In fact, come here. Come and pick this remote for me.
Are you not the one that threw it there?
Come and pick it up. Don't do any house chores. I will make sure I'll starve you in this house till you shrink. Lazy thing. Hurry up. Give me. It's when you don't mop these floors very well. Oh, you don't mop it and see now. You come and eat today. Come on, go here. Come. Shebi, it's Auntie Rose that is causing all these things, oh. It's Auntie... Will you live there? Nonsense. Everybody's just offending me in this house. No, don't worry now. Come and eat. Shebi later you tell me, auntie, I want food. Come and eat. Shh. What did you even do to this remote that is not operating again?
Your phone is ringing, no?
Leave it there. Leave it. Go and do what I asked you to do. Make sure everywhere is sparkling clean. Else, make sure you just don't open your mouth to ask me for food. Oh God. Are you blind? Can't you see that my legs are here? So you're just sweeping other places that you have to come here to disturb me. Take your time. You see how little you are, eh? I will squeeze you if you touch me with that thing again. If you try it. Hi. Come here again. You will see you. Okay. Hey. You know what? You're just a chinch. You see you. I don't know where Rose is bringing all these people from. I don't know. To come and disturb me in my brother's house. I can no longer have peace of mind. You see you. Koromo, bet me. I will so. Hey, wo, you still bet me. Don't worry. I will so deal with you in this house. You see. I hate you. I hate everybody. Nonsense. And see, I give you just 60 seconds. 60 seconds to finish up with this nonsense you're doing. Rubbish.
God! 1.4 million followers! Oh my God! Can you see? Look at it! Oh my God! Hey! My goodness! Oh my God!
So just because of that picture you posted that day?
My darling, it's not easy to train. Oh my God, I need to do live and thank all my followers. Oh! 1 point.
I have something cooking, Shao.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Your picture I took that day.
Let me see.
That one that those brands they sponsored now.
Did you have to do something? Let me show you how to edit pictures.
No, I'm not done. Just
wait. Can't you see your page is so boring? Let me teach you. Come on. Just 900 and something.
I'm just thirsty. I want to eat. I'm hungry.
Hey! Eh? Wait, just look at me very well. Am I your mother? Do I look like your mother? Eh? And you get out! Get out!
Auntie Kim, I'm hungry.
Oh, you're hungry. Hey. Very hungry, right? Bele. By the way, can you even cook?
Hey.
Hey. What can you cook?
Noodles.
Just noodles. Why? So you can't make rice, you can't make soup, spaghetti and all of that?
My mom didn't teach me that one.
What is your mother waiting for? She should have taught you all these things by now in case of emergency.
Just like this one?
Yes. By the way, go to the kitchen, take 5 packs of noodles from that carton. Prepare it.
And make it spicy.
Very spicy, don't forget.
I cannot finish 5 packs of indomie. And I don't like making my indomie spicy.
We can finish it. Just go. We are busy, go.
So, you mean I should cook food for all of you, big aunties?
Before?
Just imagine. Will you go and start making the noodles?
Please.
So we can continue what we're doing.
Spicy.
Don't forget, spicy.
What did I say?
And please, after now, start learning how to make rice and soup. Because you can't be jobless in this house. It's okay.
And please be fast.
Let me see this girl. This girl, as small as she is.
She just wants to... Bring, let me teach you what I was doing.
Please, Nini.
Wait!
Elizabeth, who made what you're eating?
I made it.
Huh?
I made it.
You did? Are you serious? Let me see.
I made
With
plenty. Yes. I made plenty.
Can I taste?
Yes. I made plenty of it. But Auntie Stacy and Auntie Kim ate everything.
This is good though. I thought you have to make something delicious.
My mom. But she doesn't let me cook.
Your mom?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know. I don't have a book where I write how to cook all types of food. But I do that when she's not at home.
Good. You bought the eggs too?
Yes. But you want to finish everything?
Hold on. Hold on. We have lots of noodles in the kitchen, right? Make that one. I like. You should have just used juice to eat this. It's okay, I can manage it. It's very nice. But next time, add more pepper.
No, let me just...
No, don't worry.
I've not eaten since.
You can make another one. You made this, right? Make more.
But I came here for holidays.
What are you doing? Are you okay? What? Oh, ew. Why would you do that?
I came here for holidays. Now you're supposed to take care of me.
Drop the egg here. Nuzube, why are you doing that? Why did you dip your hand inside the plate?
My food now.
Don't do it again. You. Really? You don't want me to eat it? I will. Come and beat me. I said I will.
These aunties think they are wise. They think they can use me as their slave. I knew it. I knew I couldn't trust them when they offered to accommodate me these holidays. Big for nothing aunties. So lazy. Don't worry. It's me and them. I will teach them a lesson of their lives. I know I promised my mom not to be stubborn here. But as things are now, I will break the promise. I will change. Because these people, they don't deserve good things. I'll do everything, do cleaning, do this and do this and you'll not still be happy. People don't know me. Don't know me.
Hello, Mr. Jonas. I've sent the pictures. Oh, please check and let me know which one you like. Okay, please give me a minute. What are you doing here? You're watching television? Instead of you to come upstairs and tell me, Auntie, please, what do you want me to do for you? What can I do for you? You sit down here and watch television. Take this clothes. Make sure you iron it properly I want to make use of it. 5 minutes. Get up. Up! Iron it properly. Move. Rubbish. Hello, Mr. Jonas. I'm so sorry. Just choose anyone and let me know.
Auntie Chloe.
Zubi, stay on your own. I don't have time for your trouble.
Do you want to eat anything? I can cook noodles for you.
Really? Okay. Good girl. Achepel.
Okay.
Why are you shouting like a mad dog?
Where have you been and I've been calling your name?
Inside.
I have dirty clothes in my room. I need you to go pick them now, wash them like ASAP, because I'm expecting people and I will want to wear it later. So I need you to wash them now before it's late. No, like go now, ASAP.
What about my noodles?
I will do it after.
Be going.
This one does not have manners to know that I already sent you on an errand.
I said you should. Inside my room, just by the corner there.
Where's my dress?
Hey. It's inside.
What is here? Don't bring my dress. You're telling me it's inside.
I don't iron it again.
Why?
Because Auntie Kim said I should leave whatever I'm doing and go and wash her own clothes.
Wait, you left my dress to attend to Kim? Are you okay?
It's not my fault though. She said I should leave everything I'm doing, so I left it with the iron.
Hey! What have you done to my dress?
It's Auntie Kim that said I should leave it though. That I should go and wash her own clothes, so I left it there.
Kim! 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 What is it? What's wrong? Come down here!
Why are you shouting like
Why would I shout? Why would I shout? Tell me, why would I shout? Why did you ask her not to iron my dress? Why? Have you seen what she has done? All because of you!
What is this one saying? What has my laundry got to do with your bond?
Everything! Because she did not iron my dress. She went to go and attend to you. She dropped her. She has burned my dress!
See, I don't have time to stand here and banter words with you. And before you called me, I was actually upstairs trying to take my bath because I have an important meeting to attend this evening.
Kim.
Yes?
You don't have my time.
Yes. By the way, what's up with my dress? Is it ready?
No, I don't wash it again.
What?
Auntie Chloe said I should cook Indomie for her, so I want to cook the noodles for her.
You've not washed my dress. And I told you I was using that dress to go out this evening.
But Auntie Chloe said
Shut up! One more word from you!
You do what? No, tell me, what will you do to her? If you touch this girl a little like this,
what will you do?
I swear to God, you not like what I want.
What will you do? What will you do?
You dare talk back at me?
Yes!
You dare talk back at me? Kim, are you mad? Are you mad? Eh? Are you mad? Am I your mate? Eh? Am I your mate? Am I your mate? Eh? Yeah, you're not very mad too. You're not very mad. Am I your mate? Eh? Am I your mate? Am I your mate? Am I your mate? Eh? Am I your mate? Am I your mate? Hey!
Jesus Christ. What have you done? Look at what you've done!
Are you mad? Are you not the cause of all this rubbish?
What do we do? What do we do?
What will you do what? Isn't that you know that I'm your slave?
Leave all these things you're saying! What do we do?
What did you people do?
What did you people do? Please forget about what do we do? What do we do? You are the elders here. Suggest, please.
Sube, please wake up now.
Sube, please wake up.
Please wake up.
Do something. Do something. What do we do?
Are you mad?
Will you shut up your mouth? She's the one.
Are you stupid?
Stupid.
Eh? It's your fault.
You slapped me.
You're very stupid.
You slapped
you
me.
You're mad. Idiot.
Do I blame you? You are
Just
an elder
nothing
sister
should
now.
happen to her. Just pray nothing should happen to her.
Sube.
Just pray nothing should happen to her. Just pray. Pray nothing should happen to her.
If you had not slapped me, we wouldn't have fought.
Watch your mouth.
Look at what you did.
Watch your mouth.
Enough. Enough. Why are you shouting? Give me that water. Give me.
It's okay. Oh my God. It's okay. I'm sorry for waking you up. How are you feeling? Are you better? Sorry. Are you hungry? Okay, let me go and prepare noodles for you.
I want to eat rice.
You want to eat rice? Okay, I'll see if I can go outside and get you rice.
I don't eat rice. I don't eat food from outside. My mom teach me that. She said it's not good to eat outside. I'm sad. If I eat anything when I'm outside, something bad might happen to me.
You want me to cook rice for you? Can't you just eat noodles?
I'm eating enough noodles. I want to eat your rice.
Okay. Let me order from 5-star. Their food is very delicious. You love it.
I don't care. Even if you want, order from 10-star. I'm not eating it. If I eat from outside, something bad will happen to me, and I don't want anything to happen to me.
Nothing will happen to you. I've been eating from 5-star. It's very delicious.
I don't eat from outside. I don't eat outside food.
Rice and noodles, they are the same thing. They are starch. Eh? Just try you.
If you want to buy, then go and buy. Maybe you should eat it yourself. If I cannot eat it, let me know it's hunger that killed me. I'm not eating. I'll die of hunger instead of eating from any 5-star or 10-star.
Okay. Rest. When I'm done, I'll come and call you. Will you change your mind? Have you changed your mind? I just want to know if you have changed your mind.
Where did you get the rice from? You made this one too? What? Wow. See what I like. You want me to eat? Thank you. This looks good. See why I like you. Hey. Who made this nonsense? Ah! Hey! No wonder. The salt almost sliced my throat. Ah!
What did you just say?
Huh?
What did you just say?
I was just about to go to my room. Hey. Sorry.
Good. You have to eat noodles. I don't really know how to cook.
But why is the rice so salty? Can't you cook?
That's what I'm saying. I try. It's not as if I just pour everything. I put small. I was testing it. It was not okay. I said, let me put more. Anyways, enough of these questions. Please.
Nzube, so you're here watching TV when there is work to do in the kitchen? My friend, will you stand up from there and go to the kitchen?
Auntie Kim, please, I'm still weak. Maybe you should help me go wash them.
So this has turned to your excuse now, ba? Auntie Kim, I'm still weak. This is 2 weeks this incident happened. I'm sure you must have recovered very well now. Please stand up, go and wash those dishes now. Now, like now. Before I will close my eyes and open them, go to the kitchen now and do those dishes.
But why must I even be the one to do everything? Can't you even wash your clothes or wash the plates you used to eat? Even to clean your room is your problem.
Am I the one you're talking to that way? You're looking for somebody to kill you. Don't worry, I resist that temptation. I will not touch you again in this house.
One of these days, you will get what you deserve.
Are you threatening me? What do you mean by... Let me come back. Leave my room. Out of my room! Out!
Are you okay?
I said out of my room.
Did the person you went to meet hurt you?
You will not understand. You will not understand. You're just very little. Just go. Go.
I know I'm young, but I know something.
Zube, am I not beautiful enough? Am I not a good person? I met this guy on Facebook. We started going out. We were all good. And then he decided to introduce me to his family. Everything was going very smooth, not until I went to see his mom. The mom asked me to go into the kitchen to wash dishes. I mean, I was just their guest. How can she ask me to wash dishes? And I refused to do it. Next thing, she got angry and asked me to leave the house.
But there's nothing there in washing plates, even as a guest. It shows how respectful and how humble you are. Every mother would like to have a humble daughter-in-law. Okay, do you still like him?
I don't just like him, I love him. I mean, this guy is literally the only person who understands me perfectly fine. You will not understand. You're just very little. You will not.
Okay, let me tell you something. Can I?
What?
Stacy.
Nzube, how long have you been here?
Just now.
I'm fine, just that I was lost in my thought.
What What happened?
There's this big man on Instagram. He has one of the biggest clothing line on Instagram. He saw my pictures in my page and he wants me to be the ambassador.
It's good now. You should be happy.
I know. He wants to have a dinner date with me tomorrow.
Just a dinner. It's fine. It's very, very fine.
It's not just dinner. He wants to have a taste of my meal. And you know, I can't cook to save my life.
Wow. That one will not be any issue now.
What's that?
I can just help you.
Are you making mockery of me right now?
No. I just want to help you.
No, thank you. I don't need your help. You can now go, thank you.
Sorry, ma.
I say you can go, thank you. No be Why are you screaming her name? Why?
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm just so excited. I'm super, super excited. Nzobe just helped me in the best way she could. Like, I'm so, so excited.
Wait, Kim. Did you just apologize to me?
Of course. Anybody in that. By the way, Nzobe helped me do something very important.
How did she help you out? I don't understand.
Sister, there's this guy I met on Facebook a few weeks back. We started hitting up immediately we met, and then a few days ago he asked me to follow him to his mom's place, him to go see his mom. Along the line we had little misunderstanding, but guess what? That small Nzube was the one who advised me to go see the mom myself, and I went to see her. I helped in cooking, cleaning, and even washing the dishes. By the time I was done, this woman became best of friends with me. She didn't even want me to leave. Wow. I'm super excited.
Small Nzube.
Yeah, small Nzube. So, as a way of appreciating her, I want to go see her, probably take her out, just anytime. Where is she?
She's in the room.
Let's go see her.
I'm coming.
Let's go. Nzube! Where's my baby girl? What's wrong with you? Okay.
I just have to get enough rest.
Oh my God, Nzube, I'm so sorry, okay? I know I've stressed you a lot. It's just me taking the advice you gave to me. And look, it turned out to be okay for me. And as a way of showing appreciation to you, I plan on taking you out. Just anytime you're ready.
You don't have to bother yourself, don't worry. See, I'm so happy you have settled the differences between your friend's family.
Yes, all thanks to you. So,
Nzube, I am sorry. I am sorry for belittling you. I let my pride and ego deceive me that I can never learn from you. But look at me now. I am truly sorry.
It's okay. It's fine. No need of the apologies. When are your guests coming?
By 8 p.m. Why?
That means we still have like 5 hours to prepare dinner.
Yes,
yeah.
but
Don't worry. I'm not doing anything. And Chloe as well. I'm sure she's lying down doing nothing, so I'll take care of it.
You will?
Yes. Let her get some rest.
No, don't worry. Let's go.
No. Relax. Let me go prepare the dinner. When it's ready, I call you out, okay?
Thank you so much.
Enough rest.
Okay.
And I love you.
And I love you.
So let's go.
Get all the rest you need.
Let me go and prepare, okay?
Alright, let's go.
In this house because you guys are not. And you, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's with the spoon?
Yeah.
What's going on?
She's cooking.
Cooking?
Yes.
When did that start, Stacy? When did you start cooking?
I told them that one day they will be in their husband's house and nobody will do the cooking, the cleaning, the mopping and everything for them.
Good girl. Oh my days.
Give me 5 too.
So it took this little girl here to teach you guys before you could change.
What's going on?
What is happening?
Auntie Rose, we are very sorry.
Yes.
We are sorry for everything that we have done. We saw something in you and we were all jealous and we started acting that way towards you.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
You didn't deserve that at all.
So
Please.
Please forgive us.
Forgive us.
Please.
Please.
Oh wow, this is.
Wait, are these my sisters?
Honestly, I have forgiven you three. I take you girls as my sisters. I hold nothing against you, honestly. Please stand up.
Wait, are these my sisters?
I'm shocked, honestly. Please stand up.
I'm hungry. This tea isn't
Right now, I just want to go upstairs and have my shower and then rest because we had a long flight.
And yes, you need to go have a shower, change and calm down because I have a good news for you.
What is it?
Because of our sweet darling. I got an endorsement.
Yes.
Through cooking.
Through cooking! Oh my God, come here! Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm happy for
Can I get a hug
you.
too?
Wait. That's the one for
Love sparkles and blows up like flowers. Nothing matters to me but your love. I'm feeling so strong. I feel butterflies. But no matter what comes our way,